So as someone who works as a full-time filmmaker, I'm always trying to find new ways to make my videos stand out and look more professional. The difference between $500 camera and $1,000 camera isn't always that noticeable, but the difference between this title and this title is quite huge. I'm 100% sure you clients will be able to tell the difference. In today's video I'm going to review and break down exactly how I use Titles, Graphics and Transitions plugin from Vystina. Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. For you who are new here, my name is George. I'm a photographer and filmmaker based in Serbia. On this channel we talk about new ways to elevate your production and add more value to it. Full disclosure before we start, I'm not sponsored by Vystina. They sent me this plugin to test it out and I had fair amount of time to test it out on my personal project, and I can say just wow, this plugin is amazing. It contains everything you need as a professional filmmaker. First of all, I want to show you what you get once you buy this plugin. I won't go through every asset because it contains over 2,000 elements. Guys, 2,000 elements, that's 3 zeros for $59. That's a bargain. I'll break it down the categories and show you some of my favorites that I use very often. Here we are in Final Cut Pro 10. Let's start with titles. In this bundle you get over 700 titles. You have minimal titles, kinetic titles, corporate titles, category titles, lower thirds, callouts, and stomp titles. I use the titles all the time when I want to add text overlays to my videos. I often use them to highlight some key facts and direct the viewer's attention to them. Let's go through some of my favorite titles and show you how I would use them. Drag this title to our timeline and drop it over our footage. This is how it looks. It's pretty okay, but we want to change few things. Everything is drag and drop, and if you want to change color, size, font, opacity, you can easily do it in this tab right here. Let's first change our text. It's time for burger. It's always time for burger. Now we will change our size a little bit, and I want to change this color to red color maybe. Let's see how it looks. Yeah, that's much better. You can notice it's very distracting. Burger is in focus, the title is in focus. We want to put our burger out of the focus when the title hits. We want to have our blur when the title starts to show up. So we will reset our blur to 0, and right around here we will keyframe it, play, and increase the blur amount. That seems nice. Let the footage play again, and when it starts to disappear we will get rid of our blur by decreasing the amount to 0. Let's see what have we done. That looks so much better. Now let's talk about lower threads. Lower threads that come with Final Cut Pro 10 aren't so good. I never use them at all because they feel very outdated. With this pack you get 70 lower threads, which can be very useful for a lot of situations. One of my favorite ways to use them is in the interview setting when I need to introduce someone. Let's drag this lower thread title over our footage and see how it looks. It looks okay, but we will tweak it a little bit. We will move it right around here and we will drop it down a little bit. This is okay. These colors don't match so good with this dark blue and purple. Let's select the purple color. Much better. And I want to change this color on this font right here. So we will go to that font and select. Let's go with blue color, for example. That looks really nice, but a little bit darker. Perfect. This is really nice title. Check it out. With Vystina pack you also get callout titles, which are so good and useful. You can use them for a number of different things. The most common way I use them is to highlight product features, locations and even gear. In customization tab you have option to keyframe the position and drag the object. Let's drag our callout title over our footage and let's start tweaking. Let's move our title over here, overall position keyframe on, and start tracking. You can go frame by frame, that will give you the best result, but I will skip few frames and then track. Let's play our footage back and see how it looks. Nice! Stomp titles are also a good way to spice up your video. They are great for some fast-paced stuff. If you wanted to do it manually, you would need a ton of time to make it. Let's move to our stomp titles category and try throwing some titles over our footage. So here is one quick edit. Please don't judge my editing skills by this video. I edited it in like 2 minutes, just to show you how the stomp titles look over the footage. I can't stress enough how much time all of these elements save. Imagine that you need to create these graphics in After Effects. It would take you for ages, and with this bundle you are ready to go within a minute. Something that I use from time to time are the niche titles, like location pins, QR sessions, checklists. They come handy and they are also included. Let's move to the graphics. This bundle includes logo stings, typography titles, backgrounds, social media graphics, infographics, devices and shape accents. You get nice collection of logo things that you can use to make intros or outros for your YouTube videos, and as every element in this bundle it's fully customizable. Now I will show you how simple it is to build an intro. For example, let's select this logo 22, drop it to our timeline. This is what it looks like. And we want to change this logo to our logo, which is Taxi Company. Yeah guys, Taxi Company, that's the future. Select your title. Go to this customization bar. This arrow is drop zone. Click to drop zone and select your logo and hit apply to clip. Now you go to logo and select drop zone. And it's super small, so you will have to make it larger. Go to scale and scale it up just like that. And of course change name, your taxi. I will change the font. I want something more bolder. This looks nice. I will change the size. And I'm satisfied. Let's play our logo intro once again. That looks legit, like Taxi Company, like a real taxi company, even better. Typography titles are also handy, there are 50 of them. You can use them as full screen titles or information slides in your videos. When you combine one after the other, you can make professional looking slideshow videos. Have you ever been in a situation that you want to showcase some images in your videos? I'm sure you were. This is the way I do it. With this bundle you get 105 backgrounds that you can use in so many different ways. I like to use them when I want to showcase images or something else in cropped window. It's much more better than using solid color. These kind of things make huge difference. Check out how it looks. This thing is super easy to do and it's so effective. Now let's take a look at the infographics category. I really like it. I use it for my clients very often to showcase the sales or different kind of statistics. I can't even imagine building something like this in After Effects. Probably take me a few years to do it. Here you have 50 device templates that can be used for all sorts of different things. You can use them to show your website, promote your online store or promote your Instagram. There are a number of devices such as phones, tablets, laptops, even headphones. Next I want to talk about shaped accents and the icons. You get 60 shape accents which you can use to overlay in your videos to pop more. We also have icons that you can add to cover up the topic you are talking about. And probably most interesting part, more than 300 transitions in 8 different categories. No matter what are you editing, what type of transition you need, you will find it in this pack. Here are some of them. There are color shape transitions, glitch transitions, green transitions with drop zones to add extra footage, ink splash transitions, paintbrush transitions, slideshows, literally everything. So let's recap. 710 titles, 419 graphics, 550 icons, 300 transitions, in total 2050 elements. Trust me, you will be happy with this investment. If you are a YouTuber, there is a ton of useful elements. If you do client work, you will also find plenty of elements to incorporate in your videos. So guys, that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel for more content and see you in the next video. Ciao!